foodies, welcome to my channel. This is Kavya. I prepare pure vegetarian recipes that are very easy to make and you can make them on the go. You can also watch them in Telugu and I'll link it in the description box below. Paneer butter masala. It needs no introduction. It's rich, creamy, buttery and perfect to satiate your hungry tummy. It's best eaten with roti or pulao, and in this video, I'll show you how to get that exact restaurant style taste at home. Also, the good news is that I'm going to show you how to make this extremely tasty, creamy curry keto-friendly. Now let's get into the process. Firstly, in a heated pan, add about 3 tablespoons of oil and a big blob of butter. And to this, add in 1 big chopped onion. If you're on keto, just skip the oil and put in lots of butter. You can also add in ghee if you want to. Now once the onions are soft, add about 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Give it a quick mix. And add about 5 to 6 medium dried red chilli broken into half. Now saute it for a few seconds again. And add in about 2 to 3 cups of diced tomatoes. Give it a quick mix. And here comes the hero of our recipe. Add in about half a cup of cashews. I suggest you not to skip this step at all because this is where all the creaminess comes from. If you're on keto, cashews are a big no-no, so add in almonds to substitute this, and add in about 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. And cook this for about 5 minutes and blend it into a fine smooth paste. And this is how we want it to be. The smoother you blend it, the creamier and rich the curry gets. Now to the same pan, add about 1/4 cup of oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. Now to get that exact restaurant style taste, add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of chili powder in this butter itself and saute it for a few seconds. You also get that street style taste if you do this. Now make sure you saute it only for a few seconds because the chili powder tends to get burnt very easily. Now to this, add in the blended puree and give it a quick mix. This looks awesome. Now add in about 1 tablespoon of salt to this puree. You see the curry glow? That's all because of butter. Looks very rich and creamy already. Now add in about half a tablespoon of turmeric. Now adding turmeric enhances the flavor and also the color of our curry. To this, add in about half a tablespoon of Garam Masala. Now the key here is do not overdo the masalas because this should be creamy and buttery and a little less on masala. That's where you get that exact restaurant style taste. Give it a quick mix. Now it's time to add in 1 teaspoon of sugar. It enhances the creaminess of the recipe. Now if you're on keto, use sugar-free or erythritol. And it's time to add in our fresh paneer. Add in about 2 cups of fresh paneer. Now some people like to fry the paneer and then add it into paneer butter masala, but according to me that's a big crime because in this recipe you want the paneer to be very soft and creamy like the gravy. So if you saute it or if you fry it and then add it to the curry, it loses its softness. So just add in the fresh paneer as it is. Give it a quick mix. Now keep the flame on low and medium, and you just want to cook all of these flavors and paneer together, and also you want the paneer to absorb the curry. And now it's time to add in one more big blob of butter. Just stir it and cook all this on a low flame for about 10 minutes. I know this seems like a lot, but trust me guys, you do this and you get the best paneer butter masala you've ever eaten. It's really tough to resist, I know, but the taste is beyond wonderful. Just look at the color, it's glowing. So buttery. The fresh, soft paneer takes it to another level. Now to add that extra cream, add in fresh cream. Just drizzle on the top. If you're on keto, this dish is a paradise for your taste buds. Now turn off the flame and then add the fresh cream. Yummy! Now take it in a serving bowl and to garnish it, drizzle on more and more fresh cream. This will be the best paneer butter masala and you'll be proud of yourself if you follow this recipe. And this little coriander baby is from my kitchen garden. That's it. Just enjoy this paneer butter masala. If you like this recipe, do give it a thumbs up and please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you all in the next video.